So I'm going to show the next demo. LaTeX files, .LaTeX files are basically plain text files which have syntax similar to any of your, like you have your web documents like HTML, which have a syntax to demarcate certain sections of the text as various parts like a heading or paragraph or a list, etc.
Right side.
So this is project and this is my main file, and I'll tell you why this is not what you will get finally. It's because the first two lines are the title page, are the main page, and they'll come exactly centered on the front page. If you want a quick review, it's one click process. You click the PDF icon, view PDF, and it generates that. Just the title page with the date automatically inserted. So whenever I want to print it on the day of the presentation, I can just generate the PDF and the current date will be inserted. And you can see that this starts on the next is abstract part. Right now over here, if you see on the top left, each part has its section, right? So these are the various kind of sections. It's almost like it's a GUI, so you can select whether you want to start a chapter or a part of the book, a section, etc. So what happens with abstract is it starts itself automatically on its own page, and abstract page usually doesn't have a page number. But one of the interesting parts is the contents part. Every time you keep on updating your LaTeX file with more and more sections and chapters, the page numbers keep updating. So, about design, about planning your documentation, especially report writing, most of the times you might have it outlined by your college or by your faculty as to what they need, what specific parts they need, right? So you can straight away write just the chapters, right? Now there is content inside, right? In the initially, you can just press start. The fun thing about this is you don't have to bother about chapter numbers, section numbers, or anything. Just keep on selecting chapters or chapter starts. That line becomes a chapter heading line. Anything beyond that again gets back to standard text, that is a simple paragraph text. Why using these? One more advantage of using this software is moving around any object, like a diagram from a chapter 3 to a chapter 4, or maybe if you move around, say a section itself, or maybe any other item like a table or something. Each item's identification number, like say figure something, a figure 4.2 or something, depending on what chapter you moved it to, it will automatically adjust its number, or adjust its figure number, or maybe its initially you can just start off by writing chapter titles and shuffling with them till you know you've got your flow correctly. And for example, this was, you can see over here that 4 and 5 are clubbed together. I'm not putting content over there. It's in the works kind of file. But when you export it to a PDF, you will see that you can see that those chapters are on their own pages, right? So LaTeX makes it mandatory that chapters start on their own pages. But this is particular if you use article class. Now what class is, then select from here. Document settings. Document settings is what kind of a document you are starting out with. LaTeX can have, or you can see scroll as a lot of things, but basically you can write your simple articles. In articles, what I have noticed is chapters start next to each other. They don't leave out the space. So the pre-mentioned classes like that, they're book classes. Book class will have, there will be a Hollywood script writing kind of class, and also there is class for writing your slides also. Presentation slides, right? So if you plan to have your slides probably in a PDF format, agenda PDF format, basically LaTeX on the background they use command line tools. So if you are well versed with those, you can use these LaTeX files to generate the PDF slides, which you can then play in full screen and also do your presentation part also. What some of the now when I say if I press enter over here, get back to standards. If I say if I want paragraph over here, then that has a heading, right? So by using a tool like LaTeX or LaTeX is also takes off a big burden of your head. Is you don't have to worry about things getting abnormally spaced or not being consistent. You set a base font style and a font size, right? So relative to that, you have chapter numbers. This certain font size is larger than the base size, and then paragraph headings a little less size than that, and so on and so forth. Right? Now you can insert figure flows, table flows, or figure flows. Table flows allow you to do is you can put in an image like an anti-SRC and also put a caption below that, so it comes out in your PDF. Also. Any questions regarding usage of LaTeX? Any doubts about it?